Hanya Packaging is a comprehensive company which integrates sales, sourcing, and service as an integral whole. We specialize in supplier nail oil bottle, perfume and skincare packages, including perfume bottles, glass bottles and jars, plastic bottles and jars, airless bottles and jars, acrylic bottles and jars. Our close-knit factory located in the most dynamic city in the Asia-Pacific region, Guangzhou. All our products from design, open mold, sample, production, frosted, high-temperature single color and multicolor printing, gilt silver stamping, painting, assembling to achieve one-stop service delivery. Our products have electron materials, from raw materials, ingredients, melting system, forming, annealing, processing, testing, packaging, and other production processes are finished under ISO 9001 quality system. At Hanya Packaging, we not only have the more selection anywhere of glass, but also are continually enriching our product variety. We have much experience in quality control, international marketing, export, logistics, so we can be your eyes and ears in China to make sure supply you the right products at the more attractive price, with a more satisfied lead time.